Tribe, this is your Mad Yogi Eileen, bringing you number 11 of our Mini Flow Challenge series. Yay, we're really close to the end now. Remember, if you are a high-frequency yoga practitioner, you don't have to change your flows every day. You can change your flows on a weekly basis, and the whole 12 series Mini Flow will already give you 12 weeks or 3 months worth of yoga, and then rinse and repeat, and that will already give you a good variety. But of course, if you want to change them on a higher frequency than that, you're always welcome to do so as well. And our series is a combination of our dosha vinyasa yoga and our new verb flow. That means that it has a HIIT based flow. So that's HIIT, high intensity interval training, for those who don't know that. We are going to be using weights. So if you don't have a proper gym weight and want to show you what I've done, can you see it? I'll just come closer to the camera. I created my own home weights. It's just a laundry detergent bottle, filled it up with water, and for added weight, because it's a little bit too light for me even when I filled it up with water, I placed some decorative garden pebbles in there. It also gives a nice pleasant rainmaker sound. But if you're doing this, if you're placing added weights inside apart from the water, just please be aware that there is that shift in weight when you use your homemade weight, yeah? Because it's also a HIIT based flow, we are going to be using a timer. So 20 seconds off, on, doing the flow, 10 seconds resting. So don't worry about the timer, I have that one covered. So come down on the mat. We are going to be doing a kneeling flow. So if you need to pad your knees, please do so. Before we start, I just want to show you what we are going to do. Yeah? We are going to use the weight in our free hand for a lateral flexion movement. And this is the movement. So sit down on your mat in this thunderbolt position or Japanese seated position, for those who want to call it that way. Now, from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the left side of the body in a lateral flexion. As we're doing this, we're going to also bring the body weight a little bit more to the right side. And exhale, we're going to bring ourselves down. Inhale, lifting back up in a lateral flexion, and exhale down. This opposite leg, when you bring the body down, it can also be lifted this way. Yeah? The hip can rest down if you want to. That leg, stick them together so they're not separating. I hope you can see that. They're not separating. Yeah? So let's just get to it. I think that was long enough for an introduction. But stop and rest whenever you need to, yeah? Right hand down, left hand with your weight, lifting up. Exhale, coming down this way. Inhale, lifting up, open your side. Exhale down. Inhale, lifting up. Don't collapse your lower shoulder though. Bend your elbow. And inhale, lifting up. And exhale down. Push yourself to center. Right hand on your weight. Left hand down. And inhale, open up. Exhale down. Inhale, opening up. Both knees down. Exhale, hip down. Legs still together. Inhaling up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And rest. Come to center. Roll your shoulders if you want. Swap over. Yeah? Right hand down and inhale up. exhale, hip down, legs still together. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhaling up. Don't lock your elbows, allow them to bend. Inhale up, release the pose, roll the shoulders, come to the other side. Right, left hand down, and inhale. Open up, exhale down. Inhale up, lateral flexion, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and swap it over. Now let's add a little bit more repetition, yeah? From here, prepare yourself. Inhaling up, exhale down, up, down, up. Because it's a hip flow, we do want to trigger that cardio response, yeah? A bit more of a heart rate response. Inhale up, exhale down. Swapping it over, rolling your shoulders. Left hand down. Good. Inhaling up, exhale down. Up, down. Breathe. Move with your breath. Don't hyperventilate though if you want more reps, yeah? Release. And to the other side. I was just checking how many more repetitions. And inhale up. Exhale. Open up your side, push your hips to the open side. And don't let your lower shoulder collapse down as well, like this, yeah? Push to the length of your arm so your neck isn't collapsing. Inhaling up, exhale down. Inhale up. Push that hip to the opposite side and lift yourself up and down. And release the pose. Roll the shoulders. Good. That's one round. Let's do just one more round, shall we? Just one more round. Let me just prepare our timer. Coming to the right side first. Yeah? Bit more repetitions. Up, down. Up, down. Sticking your legs together and pushing your opposite hip out in a letter C. Yeah? Good. And release to the other side. Roll your shoulders. Don't rush. You have time to rest in between. Left hand down, up and down. Stick your legs together. So your right leg, the farther leg this time, comes on top of your left when you sit down on your left hip. Good. Release. Roll the shoulders. Swap it over. Breathing. Right hand down. Yeah. And lift. Exhale down. Lift your hips off your heels as well. Only 2 rounds for this mini flow, but you can always rewind and repeat as much as you want. Left hand down, open up, sit. Open up, sit. Open your side. Opening up, lifting the hips, the sit bones off your heels. And to the other side. Right hand down, left hand with your weight. Prepare, opening up, sitting down. Breathe. And swap it over. Roll the shoulders. Don't rush. Left hand down. Prepare and open up and down. Open up and down. Push through your standing arm. Yeah? It's not just there, literally catching your weight. You are also pushing through it. Yeah? Right hand down, open, exhale, opening up. Don't forget your farther leg. In this case, that would be the left. Bring it on top of your right when you sit down on the right hip. And exhale. Roll the shoulders. How are we doing? Yeah? Still good? Left hand down. Prepare. Open up. By now, you might also be feeling it in your quads, in your thighs. Yeah? Open up. Exhale down. Open up. Lift the hips from the heels. And release. And we are done. Moving those aside. Moving those aside now. Before we end this mini flow, I want you to just sit down on the mat, because I don't know about you, but I feel it in my thighs more, but you are going to feel it in your sides as well. Just relax your legs in front of you this way. Use the pads of your fingers. This is a cat claw massage, yeah? Pads of your fingers, not your nails. Cat claw from your feet, around your calves, your shin, and up your thighs, including your inner thighs. It might feel a little bit stingy when you do this in the inner thighs. I don't know why that happens, but it happens to me. So if you're the same, just pare back that intensity of this cat clawing, but dig in as much as you can, yeah? You can't really hurt yourself, hopefully not, with this massage. And on to the other side, other foot, cat claw, around your shin, around your calves, around your knee, abductor muscles. Muscles on the inside of your thighs, coming onto your quads, and feel for these really top portions of the quads and massage those. At least that's where I feel them. Massage more on the muscles, the areas where you feel that soreness, and hopefully it will mitigate unpleasant soreness afterwards from here. If you want a short shavasana, you're welcome to come down on the mat and do a short or a long shavasana, up to you. Or if you want to, pop off the mat and let's all get on with our day. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our last mini flow, the number 12. Well done on finishing your class. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you want ad-free premium versions of this class, the entire library of classes, not all of the channels, are going to appear here on YouTube, and the course and workshop channels as well, and the workshop sheets, some of which are exclusive to the Mad Yogi Club members. So come and join me on our website, madyogi.net, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!